5 Aloe vera hair mask. Aloe vera and honey mask. Mix 2 tablespoons each of aloe vera gel and honey, and a tablespoon of yogurt to make a hair mask. Apply from hair roots to tips and massage gently after 10 to 15 minutes. Let sit for 30 minutes and rinse off with water or shampoo is normal for soft shiny hair. Aloe vera and egg mask. Make a hair mask using 1/4 cup of aloe gel and 1 egg. Whisk the egg and blend with the aloe gel. Apply the mixture onto scalp and hair and put on a shower cap thereafter. Wash off with cool water after 30 minutes. Using this mask once a week can be beneficial. To remove the smell of egg from your tresses, spray a mixture of freshly squeezed lemon juice and water all over the scalp and hair. Rinse with water after 10 to 15 minutes. Aloe vera and castor oil mask. For hair growth, use aloe vera and castor oil, which is excellent for boosting hair growth and adding volume. Mix a cup of aloe vera gel and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Apply evenly to the scalp and hair strands, cover head with a shower cap and let sit for 1 to 2 hours. Rinse off with a mild shampoo. You can also add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder to this mask, to boost the growth process. Aloe vera and onion juice mask. Aloe gel and onion juice makes for an effective combination for healthy hair. Onion juice stimulates the scalp and clears out clogged hair follicles, promoting hair growth. Also, the high sulfur concentration in onion boosts the production of collagen, which helps control hair loss. Take equal parts of aloe gel and onion juice and mix well. Apply the mixture evenly to scalp and rinse using a mild shampoo after 30 to 45 minutes. This remedy can be used twice weekly. Aloe vera and apple cider vinegar mask. To get rid of dandruff, use an aloe vera and apple cider vinegar remedy about twice a month. Take a cup of aloe gel and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Whisk well. Apply onto scalp and let sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with water or shampoo is normal.